Welcome to our compact laundry showdown. Today, we are comparing two innovative washing machines designed for small spaces: the Superdeal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Yeltimer Portable Washing Machine. Both machines cater to the needs of those living in apartments, dorms, or anyone who requires a portable laundry solution. We will look at their design, capacity, and ease of use, helping you make an informed decision on which machine is right for you. Let's dive in. The Superdeal features a twin tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, making it efficient for small loads. In contrast, the Yeltimer offers a foldable bucket style, which is incredibly portable and easy to store. While the twin tub design is great for those who need to wash and spin at the same time, the Yeltimer's foldable feature makes it perfect for travel and compact living spaces. When it comes to capacity, the Superdeal has a washing capacity of 8 pounds and a spinning capacity of 5 pounds, making it suitable for larger loads. On the other hand, the Yeltimer has a total capacity of 16 Ls, which is ideal for small items like underwear and baby clothes. While the Superdeal can handle more laundry at once, the Yeltimer is designed for those who prioritize convenience and portability over larger loads. The Superdeal operates semi-automatically, requiring users to fill it with water and manually drain it, which some may find less convenient. In contrast, the Yeltimer features a touch panel for easy operation, allowing users to control the washing process with just a few taps. This makes the Yeltimer a more user-friendly option for those who prefer a hassle-free experience. In conclusion, both the Superdeal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Yeltimer Portable Washing Machine have their unique strengths. The Superdeal is perfect for those who need a bit more capacity and appreciate the twin tub design, while the Yeltimer excels in portability and ease of use. Consider your specific laundry needs and space constraints when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.